picking our pieces for our mantle around our wood stove and some sill work pieces down here. And we're going to deal with all that later. We're going to just now figure out what size and where to put this nice piece of oak slab.
Doing oak slabs. We're doing slabs, folks. I'm going to fire this up and finish cutting this up, and then we'll just keep on going.
And put it in there around the wood stove. Yahoo! Nice piece of wood.
There you go. Come in and check that out. That's not too shabby for a little cut there.
Yeah, pretty.
We'll take it.
And that's how it's done.
And that's how we're doing it around here. All right, folks.
Bye.
We'll get you on the next one.